magnificently.
This is spectacular.
Oh, outrageous.
Through to Yunus Mali, back heel to Divock Origi.
Magnificent!
Chan wants to take it on his own. And Hamburg having all sorts of difficulty dealing with Özcan. That looked as if he'd got the ball stuck to the end of his foot. This is spectacular! Bailey, good skill. There's plenty of red shirts up there in the box, but Bailey's going it alone. Leon Bailey, off the bar! That would have been...
Hello, are you still there?
Hello!
Watch the best of the Bundesliga.
Subscribe now.
The official Bundesliga YouTube channel. Subscribe now.